In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Format Painter in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll know exactly how to copy the look of one piece of text and apply it to another in just a couple of clicks, keeping your document clean and consistent. First, start by selecting the text that already has the formatting you like. This could be a heading with a particular font, size, and color, or a paragraph with specific alignment and spacing. Be intentional with your selection. If you want to capture paragraph level settings, like indents, line spacing, or list formatting, select the entire paragraph. If you only care about the character formatting, such as font, bold, italics, or color, select just the word or phrase. The key idea is that Format Painter copies formatting, not content, so you're choosing a style to reuse. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click Format Painter. You'll find it in the Clipboard group, and it looks like a little paintbrush. Once you click it, your cursor will change to include a paintbrush icon. That visual cue tells you Word is ready to apply the copied formatting to something else. Think of this as temporarily borrowing the design of your selected text. Now, apply that formatting to your target text. Click and drag to highlight the text you want to update, or simply click inside a word if that's all you need. As soon as you release the mouse, Word applies the formatting you captured. If something doesn't look right, use Undo to step back and try selecting a different source or adjusting your selection. Because Format Painter transfers both character and, when appropriate, paragraph settings, the result will depend on exactly what you selected at the start. A couple of quick clarifications to keep you confident as you work. Format Painter doesn't change your words. It only changes how they look. It's great for quickly matching headings, aligning body text, or making lists consistent without digging through multiple menus. If the ribbon is minimized, expand it so you can see the Home tab clearly, and watch for that paintbrush cursor to confirm you're in painting mode. When you're done applying the formatting, the tool turns itself off automatically after the change is made. That's all there is to it. Select the well-formatted text, click Format Painter on the Home tab, then highlight the text you want to match. Use this whenever you need fast, accurate consistency without manually reapplying fonts, sizes, colors, alignment, or spacing.